Trina from WTKR again. As you see, we're experiencing another snowstorm. Look at the snow. Look at the snow. For those employers that had us come to work today, thank you for making this dangerous. Because the kids are loving it, but the workers are getting paid for doing nothing. So we appreciate you. Make sure you take us home. To straight from the work job off right now. As you see my vehicle right here, we are stuck in the mother freaking snow. They wanted me to come to this job. They didn't plow out this parking lot, but they plowing out the streets. Some bullshit here. Bullshit. I'm stuck. I tried to get out this bitch like 5-10 times. I am not a man, as you know it. I'm a woman. My shit is stuck. Y'all pray my strength in the Lord, because I need Jesus.